Hi, today we're going to do height and weight with a balance scale.
Come in.
Hi Melissa, it's Amy. I'm your certified nurse aide. How are you today?
Good.
May I come in?
Yes.
I'd like to get your height and weight. Would now be an okay time to do it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to shut the curtain and wash my hands and I'll be right back, okay?
All right.
Melissa, did you hear that Chicago was supposed to get some snow today?
I did.
I know. Do you have any relatives that live in Chicago?
No relatives. I have a friend that works there.
Oh, yeah. She's probably going to get a lot of snow today.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to get a paper. I'm going to get a pencil. I'm going to write height and weight down on it. And today is the 5th, March 5th. Okay, this is a balance scale. You need to make sure that it's balanced at 0. And those are in. And the arrow right here is bobbing freely up and down. That means that the balance scale is balanced and we can measure someone's weight on it. Melissa, I see that you have footies on. Do those have grippers on the bottom?
Yep.
They do, and that's good. Are you able to stand up and walk over here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you. Go ahead and stand right up on this scale. Yep, hang on. That's good. I'm going to slide it over, and when I do, it has to be in a notch. I will show you this here in a minute. So we've got it slid over. We're going to slide the other one over and making sure that it is just balanced right here. The arrow is freely floating, and that is exactly your weight. Melissa, I'm going to ask you to sit down again, okay?
Okay.
So I can do a little demonstration. This is 150, and I do want you to see this. It slides over, okay? And you have to make sure it's locked in. Over here, it's going by 2, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, and it looks like she's almost right between the 8 and the 10. It was right there. So I'm going to say that her weight is 150 plus 9, 159 pounds. Okay? You're going to want to write that down so you do not forget. Okay, and when you're done with that, that's fine. Now the next thing we're going to do is height. And when we do someone's height, we want to make sure that we get the scale up high enough so when they stand, this has to be absolutely squared up here. It can't be flipped up and it can't be flipped down. It needs to have a square right there, okay? A 90-degree angle. So we're just going to hold it there. When we read it, we're going to read the height in inches right here. Well, I guess we're going to read it in feet plus inches right there. Okay, Melissa, I'm going to assist you back on the scale, okay? And we're going to get your height this time. Go ahead and stand up. Yep, you can face out. That's a good idea. Straight as you can, okay? I'm going to go ahead and bring this down until I hit the top of your head. Perfect. I've got a nice 90-degree angle right there. Good job. I'm going to ask you to step down, Melissa, okay? Thank you. And go ahead and have a seat. Excellent. And I'll be with you in just a minute.
All right.
This is where we're going to measure. It says read right here, so this is a little bit easier. She is 5 feet plus 5 inches. That's how tall Melissa is, 5 feet 5. Let's just assume that she was 6 foot, and let's say she was 2.5. So here's 6 foot, there's 1 inch, there's 2 inches, and there's a half. Let's see, she's a short little person. We're going to read it. Still, we're reading right here. This is 4 feet, 8 inches. 4 feet, 7.5 inches. 4 feet, 7.25 inches. 4 feet, 7. Can you see that right there when I'm measuring? Let's see what that is. Oh, that's 5 feet, and I bet you we could say 1/4 inch right there. So you can see between 11 and 12, which is 5 feet, there's 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and then the next inch. Melissa was 5 feet, 5 inches tall. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. Okay, Melissa, I see you have your call light. Is there anything else I can get you right now?
No, thank you.
Okay, I'm going to go report this and record this in your log, okay?
Okay.
And I'll be back in a little while to check on you.
Okay.
I'm going to open up the curtain. Okay. Open up the curtain, and I'm going to wash my hands. One thing you're going to want to know, if you go and record someone's weight and there's a 2-pound difference, either 2 pounds heavier or 2 pounds lighter than it was recorded the last time, you need to report that immediately to the nurse, because we're worried about congestive heart failure, someone gaining weight, fluid retention, things like that. So please remember, there's a 2-pound window. If they're up or down a pound, we can say it might be a difference in the weight machine or what they're wearing or what they just had to eat or drink. But if it's 2 pounds, we expect you to report that to the nurse immediately after recording it. Okay? Okay, thank you. Bye, Melissa. Have a good day.
You too.